Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at Crosse Technology 911-65557 battery tester user manual. Specifications. Dimensions. Instructions. Use the orange slide switch to select the battery voltage. Select 1.5 volts for alkaline, lithium, and regular AAA, AA, C, D, and N batteries. Select 1.2 volts for rechargeable AAA, AA, C, and D batteries. Select 3.0 volts for lithium button cell batteries. Pull out the orange battery tray and insert your battery with the correct polarity. The slide tray is closed to make contact with the battery. Voltage and strength will show. Select 1.5 volts for alkaline, lithium, and regular AAA, AA, C, D, and N batteries. Select 1.2 volts for rechargeable AAA, AA, C and D batteries. Select 3.0 volts for lithium button cell batteries. 9-volt battery. Touch the battery to the contacts on the left side of the tester. Be sure to observe correct polarity. Voltage and strength will show. Customer support. Care plus maintenance. Do not mix old and new batteries. Do not mix alkaline, lithium, standard, or rechargeable batteries. Always purchase the correct size and grade of battery most suitable for intended use. Clean the battery contacts and also those of the device before battery installation. Ensure the batteries have with correct polarity +/. Remove batteries from equipment that will not be used for an extended period. Promptly remove expired batteries. Warnings. Do not attempt to test 9 volts batteries with the button cell compartment. Do not attempt to test button cells in the regular battery compartment. Do not test batteries that are damaged or leaking. Do not test batteries in a humid or wet environment. Keep the tester out of reach of children. Do not dispose of batteries in the trash. If you experience any problems with the tester, stop using it immediately and contact Crosse Technology customer service. Troubleshootings. Check the battery. Ensure the tester's internal AAA batteries are fresh and properly installed. Verify battery placement. Double check that you've inserted the battery you're testing into the correct compartment based on its size and type. Inspect battery contacts. Ensure the battery contacts are clean and free of corrosion. Try a different battery. Test a known good battery of the same type to see if the tester is functioning correctly. Check for damage. Inspect the tester for any visible damage, such as cracks or broken parts. Reset the tester. If the issue persists, try resetting the tester by removing and reinserting the internal AAA batteries. Contact customer service. If none of the above solutions resolve the problem, reach out to Crosse Technology's customer support for further assistance or potential warranty claims. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.